Jupiter, the largest planet in our solar system. This gas giant has always been a source of fascination and mystery for scientists and stargazers alike. But in recent years, our understanding of Jupiter has grown exponentially. Jupiter is thought to have formed around 4.5 billion years ago from a swirling disk of gas and dust in the early solar system. Its immense gravity caused leftover material in the solar system to collapse and form into the planet we know today. This gas giant quickly grew to be the dominant planet in the neighborhood, capturing most of the remaining material in its orbit. Jupiter's mass is corresponding to 318 Earth masses. It has 92 moons, as of 2023. Its diameter is approximately 86,881 miles, 139,822 kilometers. Jupiter takes 11.86 Earth years to orbit the Sun. The average distance from Jupiter to Earth is about 484 million miles, 778 million kilometers. Atmosphere composition. Jupiter's atmosphere is mostly composed of hydrogen, 89%, and helium, 11%, with trace amounts of methane, ammonia, and water vapor. In the 1990s, NASA's Galileo spacecraft made several flybys of Jupiter, sending back stunning images and data on the planet's atmosphere and magnetic field. These flybys gave scientists their first close-up look at Jupiter and its many moons. Galileo also discovered that Jupiter has a strong magnetic field, 20,000 times stronger than Earth's, and that the planet's atmosphere is made up of layers of gas that extend deep into the planet. The Galileo mission also provided the first evidence of water vapor in the upper atmosphere, which led to the discovery of water plumes on the moon Europa. One of the most famous features of Jupiter is the Great Red Spot, a massive storm, the size of Earth, that has been raging for at least 350 years. The spot is actually a gigantic anticyclone, with winds reaching speeds of 620 miles per hour. Scientists believe that the spot is caused by rising gases that create a high-pressure system, and that it may be a window into the deeper layers of Jupiter's atmosphere. In 2011, NASA's Juno spacecraft arrived at Jupiter, and since then it has been sending back a wealth of data on the planet's internal structure, magnetic field, and weather patterns. One of the most important discoveries from the Juno mission is that Jupiter has a solid core, which was previously a mystery. Scientists believe that this solid core is composed of rock and metal, and that it is surrounded by layers of liquid hydrogen and helium. The mission has also provided new insights into Jupiter's magnetic field, which is far more complex and dynamic than previously thought. In the near future, NASA and the European Space Agency are planning to launch new missions to Jupiter and its moons. The Europa Clipper mission, set to launch in 2024, will conduct a detailed study of the icy moon Europa, one of Jupiter's largest moons, to investigate the potential for subsurface oceans and the possibility of life. The JUICE mission, set to launch in 2023, will study Jupiter and its three largest icy moons, Europa, Ganymede, and Callisto. It is a long journey, and JUICE is expected to go into orbit around Jupiter in 2031. These missions will provide scientists with new insights into the geology, geophysics, and potential habitability of these moons orbiting Jupiter. Jupiter also has a rich ring system, which was discovered by the Voyager 1 spacecraft in 1979. The rings are made of fine particles of dust and therefore hard to see. They are thought to be the result of material ejected from the planet's small inner moons. In addition to its scientific value, Jupiter also has potential for future exploration and resource extraction. Its atmosphere is rich in hydrogen and helium, which could potentially be used as a fuel source for spacecraft. Its moons also have the potential to contain valuable resources such as water and rare minerals, which can be goals for future explorations. This gas giant continues to captivate scientists and stargazers alike, with its immense size, fascinating atmosphere, and potential for exploration and discovery. With the upcoming missions, we're sure to learn even more about this mysterious planet. Who knows what secrets Jupiter still holds? But one thing is certain, our understanding of this massive planet is constantly evolving and expanding. Thanks for joining us on this journey to Jupiter.